Okay, welcome back, everybody. Okay, so as you can see my Tookie fan, kinda. Anyway, I got this Tookie 2 weeks ago. I had to let it dry. Anyway, I got this Tookie mount. I already got my beard on it. It's a pretty long beard, actually. Pretty long. I mean, 9 inches, I think. I think it was 9 inches. Anyway, I got that Tookie mount. I got a hot glue gun, and I'll show you how to put it on. I already put the beard on, but that's pretty easy. All you have to do is unscrew this screw and that screw, and this comes off, and there's like a little hole right in there. And you stick your beard in, screw it down. Sometimes if you have a thin beard, you just hot glue it. Anyway, but I gotta hot glue this onto the back. Right there. I gotta hot glue it so it looks like that. Kinda like that. So I gotta put a hot. Gotta put a lot of hot glue on. Then I just have to let it sit until it cools. Yeah, but I shot this. I missed the first shot, shot the second shot. I think it was like 60 yards and I shot it. But he's like 9 inches, I think. I don't know. 9 inches or something. Anyway, the fan. Gotta hot glue all that. Yeah, but if you want to know how to let it dry, because you can't just put this on when you just shoot the Tookie. You can't do that. You have to let it sit. You have to let it sit. I think if you put Epsom salt and you have to like pin it on like a cardboard box or something, then you like pin it on a cardboard box. You just pin it so it fluffs out in a 90-degree angle, and then you let it sit for 2 weeks. Well, whenever it gets hard, because you can't have it when it's soft and stuff. So whenever it gets hard, then you can take it out. And this is actually my first Tookie. I shot him. Anyway, yeah, but I let it sit, or you can get this hard stuff. It's like plastic, and you stick it on. It's kind of like, I don't know what it is, but then it like hardens like in I think an hour or minutes. It hardens faster and you can put it on. But I'm just gonna mount this on my wall, so. Gotta get every little. But he's a pretty big Tom. I think he was 9 inches. I gotta get a tape measure. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I have to measure it. Yeah, it's 9 inches. So it's 9-inch beard. My brother, my Coulter, he got a 13-inch beard. It was like that long. It was big. But we didn't mount it because the cats got into it. That's why you have to look out if you have cats or anything. You gotta watch because those cats will try attacking your beard and stuff. Attacking your fan. But see? Let's show that fan. Look at that fan. Pretty nice fan, and there's the beard right there. Actually, let's make sure I want to make sure it's 9 inches. Got the 100-foot tape. Let's measure. Yeah, it's about 9 inches. Okay, so it's 9 inches. Yeah, he's a pretty big Tom. See? Well, see, that's a pretty big Tom right there. Nice long beard. That's a nice Tom. Well, hope you enjoyed this. Actually, hang on. We might even write my name right here, Shreyson. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. We'll have another video of Tookie Fan, and we'll show putting the beard in stuff. But make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And we will have probably more hunting videos, which we didn't video this one because we were just going to go set a bear bait, and it was on the road, so we shot it. But make sure to like and subscribe and comment, because yeah. But anyway, see you in the next video.